Hello everybody, my name is Nadezhda Yelizarova and I am a teacher of English of high school from Moscow. I would like to start by not drawing a list of some concrete problems that students come across while learning English, but actually I'd concentrate on some major problems connected to the differences in Russian-speaking or English-speaking mentality, because everybody knows that language is how we see the world. Technically, it's our picture of the world, how we understand it. And for example, why is it so difficult to teach articles to Russian-speaking students? It's not because in our grammar we don't have any articles, but it's rather because in our mentality we don't have any idea that is given by an article. When a Russian person starts speaking their own language, we are not interested in whether, for example, I know anything at all about this subject or not, whether it is related to me or not. That's why it's so difficult for us to understand it in a foreign language. Or let's take, for example, present perfect tense. When I start teaching it to my students, I ask them to translate a simple phrase from Russian into English. For example, он съел яблоко. And some students say he ate an apple, and others would say he has eaten an apple. And they all will be right, because without the context, we have no means to know, because in Russian, there is no difference between the aspects of the past. Only the difference between past, not present, not future. And I think that what we should teach first is some danger zones for students, like when they say, aha, I know that it's not as simple as I have thought. I must stop and think here, and I must watch at the situation carefully. And then only after that we teach them some concrete skills and give them rules and drilling and do the drilling and all that things. I think that teaching grammar in that way is probably teaching students flexibility and tolerance through understanding different grammar as a different picture of the world and different point of view. Thank you very much.